Bianca, welcome to my channel. So today, as you can tell, we're gonna make a spooky, haunted Halloween gingerbread house. So, I'm excited. Are you excited? Jordan? I'm excited.
I've never made a house before.
No, you don't have Hanukkah houses. So, Jordan, lovely boyfriend, lovely assistant, lovely sous chef, has never made Christmas like gingerbread house. So, what better way to introduce it than doing something different and spooky and fun for Vlogoween, spooky time. So, we got our Reese's, we got our Halloween edition Junior Mints, we got our Monster Peeps for some green, candy corn.
Candy corn.
I hate candy corn, but we'll do some.
You know what that voice is from?
Shrek, donkey. Gingerbread, yeah, the gingerbread man from Shrek.
No, it's actually from A Bug's Life. Oh, candy corn.
Our funfetti frosting, I think it's just vanilla, but it at least has like all the sprinkles that we need, and it was on sale, so
$1.50.
let's just get it started. You want to do the honors? We're gonna do a thin layer. I know it seems like a waste, but that's why we buy the cheap stuff. It's your glue. Go ahead, stick before it dries. Stick.
How do I stick?
The grams.
You gotta
Hold
do
on.
the whole side. What do you mean?
Hurry up.
You have so much time. Just
Hurry up.
do it.
It's a race. It's a race to the finish.
They can't see what you're doing.
I can't believe this is orange. That's amazing. I thought they were going to trick us and it wasn't going to be orange. Wow, perfect. Jordan. Beautiful, darling. You're amazing.
Sexy.
You're so good at this.
I'm so nervous.
Beautiful. So, by the time we realized we wanted to make a haunted house, the dollar store was closed, and I love going to the dollar store for Halloween stuff and like candy and graham crackers and all that stuff, because sometimes they're smaller versions, but they're so much cheaper and you could get so many things and like so many cool ideas, because you're like using your brain to like solve a puzzle that is the dollar store. It took us 12 minutes, by the way, to make this base. Like, we're not even like done with the base, and it's been like 15 whole minutes. You guys won't be able to see what we're decorating until it's done. We're so secretive. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have one. Oh my god, it's black. It's black on the inside.
I want a Junior Mint.
Oh my god, it's black.
Junior Mints are my favorite candy.
Tell them that you have
I don't know what color it was.
Open your mouth. I want to see.
I'm embarrassed.
Just show me. It's black.
Wait. Show me your mouth. Your mouth's black.
Stop eating them all. Eat one.
Nigel likes it.
That's the bird.
Nigel's my bird.
So what we have here is a monster house, but they're happy monsters because peeps don't make the monsters with sad faces, they make them with happy faces. So this is a couple that lives here. I ate their child while we were decorating. Here's their little walkway, how they get into their little house. Here's their pumpkin patch. They're happy monsters because they smile, they don't frown. Even though I ate their son, they still respect me. Here's their windows, which all have nice decor on it. Some say have bats, some have houses, some have, you know, because they go with the stained glass vibe. These little things are, I don't know, their decoration. They have bats living on their roof. They're friendly bats though. They hang out. The sides, that's all we have. The sides, very nice. We have some nice shiplap, as Joanna Gaines would say. We're going for the asymmetrical, what is it called? Mid-century modern look. Alright, well, monsters are tired and they want to go to sleep. So, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. And if you want to see more Vlogoween stuff, stay tuned for tomorrow, and the next day, 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 and the next day. Bye!